how to use the Uber app. So let's say that you've installed it for the first time. Once you open up Uber, it is going to ask you to log in with your account. Now you will see a few tabs at the bottom called Home, Services, Activity, and also Account. From the account section, you can see your information, such as previous trips, your wallet here. You will get safety and inbox if you have any messages. You will also have family, settings, simple mode, and you can read the rest here. But Uber is used usually to book rides. So if you want to book any rides, then you will enter your pickup location. So let's just say London here. So London, UK, Luton, and then Heathrow. Okay, we can skip this, and this is going to show you the Uber variants. So you can do UberX, which is going to be the economy version. It's going to cost £50. Then you have Uber XL, which is going to be more expensive, and the most expensive is going to be XXL. And you will also get the option of electric. So electric is going to be just 1 cent more expensive, but well, it's going to be sustainable. Now, once selecting your ride, you will also see Uber Pets. So if you have any pets with you, you can use those. XEC, so this is going to be high-end cars. So that's going to be the better option, and luxury, which is going to be top-rated drivers. So it's going to be the best of the best. Now you have the option of public transport as well. So if you want to choose public transport, you can get tickets directly from this. And also you can hire cars. Now for the payment method, you will see Apple Pay, cash, or you can add your own payment method by clicking on it here. You can do credit or debit card, PayPal, and also gift card. For business, if you have a business account, this will be unlocked. Now, let's say that we have chosen our ride. What other options does Uber give us? So if we select services here, you will see that you can reserve a ride. So you can reserve in advance. You have the option of rental cars, like we said, and also you have hotels here, so you can book directly. This is integrated with another booking service. For seniors here, you will get access to seniors information, so if you are responsible for any seniors. And also you have hourly transit, Uber Golf, and you can send items even. So it's like a delivery service. In the activity tab, you will see all of your upcoming trips and past trips. And from the home screen, you will just see what is most the current information for your account. So whether you have any trips, whether your driver is coming or not, and basically the update of all of the information. So that's a quick overview of Uber. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.